in this diagram, this is a parallel plate capacitor with dielectric 1, dielectric 2, dielectric 3, dielectric 4. It means this is the area of the area of the area. This is thickness between the plate of the thickness of the d by 2, d by 2. Now let us see this and this, how this behaves. See, first let us take C1. This is C1 and this is C2, and both are given positive. This side is positive, it means this side is positive, this is negative, this side is positive, this side is negative. Alternate positive and negative coming, so it will be in series. So this and this, that is C1 and C2 are in series. C1, C2 are in series. Second thing, we just take this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, and this is negative. See here, this is also positive and negative. The bottom one, positive and negative, it means this is also in series. Alternate positive and negative means it is in series. So positive, negative. See, positive, negative, then positive, negative. So this is also positive, negative, then positive, negative. It means this and this are series, this and this are series. That we have written. This is C3 and this is C4. But one thing we have to realize it. What we realize is this and this. Parallel means what? This and this are connected to same terminal. See, C1 and C2 are series, but this side positive is connected to same positive. Same positive, because see this, we will take C1 positive, negative, C2 positive, negative, then C3, C2, C1, C2, C3 and C4 positive, negative, both are in series. Oh, fine. This side positive and this side positives are connected together. See, this side positive and this side positives are connected together. Positive and positive connected together means what? This is positive terminal, this is positive terminal, positive, negative means these are in parallel. This side positive, this side positives are connected. It means this and these are parallel. This side positive and this side positives are connected. So these two are in series. This side positive and this side positive are connected together. This side is a negative side. It means this is positive, negative series. This is forming a series. This one, and this is also positive, negative forming a series. But this it's positive and positives are one side, it's positive one side. It means both are connected in parallel now, because positive connected to one end. Same way here, the positive and negative connected to other end. So it means what? It's negative connected to other end. It means both are parallel. These are parallel. It means this and this are connected in series. This and this are connected in series. These two, its positive terminal, negative terminal, its positive terminal, negative terminal are connected to one end. Its negative are connected to one more terminal. Its negative connected to one terminal. It means these two are series, and this arrangement is in parallel with this one. So we have written like this. The circuit is converted like this. Very simple analysis. If positive, negative, if there are two capacitors together, if two capacitors are together like this, this side is positive, this side negative, this side is positive, negative, this is forming series, positive, alternate. Suppose this side positive, this side negative, this side positive, this side negative, this side positive, this side negative, this side positive, this side negative. So these are alternate, so connected together. Now this, both the positives are connected to one end and both the negatives are connected other end. It means this arrangement and these arrangements are in parallel. That's all we have to analyze. With this help, we can analyze any type of capacitors with different dielectrics, maybe in parallel. We can identify whether it is in parallel or series. Now C1, C2, this and this on series, this and this on series, and this on parallel. As we know, the C equivalent, if it is in C, is equal to C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2. First let us find out C1. What is C1? C1 is equal to C1. How much is it? It is taking half the area, that is A by 2, and it is occupying half the thickness. So C1 is equal to, what is C? C in the air, we can keep it as C naught. C in the air. C in the air is equal to epsilon naught A by D. And C in a dielectric or medium is equal to C epsilon naught A divided by T into its dielectric constant. So C1 is what? C1 is equal to epsilon naught A. What is A? A is equal to A by 2 into D. The distance of separation is D by 2 into K1. This cancels. So is equal to epsilon naught A divided by D into K1, or C1 is equal to, this is equal to, we can say, capacitance of air as a dielectric, C1 into K1. Same thing, this is also occupying half the portion, A by 2 into D by 2, A by 2 into D by 2. Same thing will come C2. What is C2? C2 also C naught into K2 we can, and C3 also. We do the same calculation. Epsilon naught A by 2 into D by 2 into K2. This will come. C3 is equal to C naught into K3, and C4 is equal to C naught into K4. C naught into K4. That's all, where C naught is equal to capacitance in air. Okay, now we have to see this and this on series, that is C1 and C2 are series, C1 and C2 series, that is C equivalent is equal to C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2 is equal to C1 into C naught K1 into C naught K2 divided by C naught K1 plus C naught K2. So this circuit, this equivalent will become, that will become C naught square into K1 into K2 divided by, we take C naught common outside, K1 plus K2. This is C equivalent 1. This is C equivalent 1. We will write it this way. C equivalent 1. This is C equivalent 2 connected with this. So this is equal to this and this get cancelled. So C equivalent 1 is equal to C naught into K1 K2 by K1 plus K2. K1 plus K2. Same way, this is also occupying half of the area and half of the thickness. This also A by 2 into half of the thickness. Since all are identical, only thing we have to read here K1, K2, here K3, K4 will come. So C equivalent also we can write. You can work out. C equivalent is equal to C naught. Here K1, K2 first one, top one. Bottom one is K3, K4 divided by K3 plus K4. Because all are having identical except the dielectric constant. So C equivalent 1 and C equivalent 1, C equivalent 2 we have calculated. Now these both are in series. So this will come as a single electrical. This and these are equal, parallel. So this will be A, terminal B, A and B. This is B and this is A. It means this one and this one, C equivalent 1 and C equivalent 2 are in parallel. It means the C dash, the net capacitance, reduced capacitance is equal to C equivalent 1 plus C equivalent 2. C equivalent 1 is equal to C naught K1 K2 divided by K1 plus K2. This is C equivalent 1 because C dash is equal to C equivalent 1 plus C equivalent 2. C equivalent 1 we are substituting, only thing we are only substituting, that's all, is equal to plus C naught into K3 K4 divided by K3 plus K4. So that's all. So we can take the common outside. Which one we can take? This C naught we can take common outside, then this is the net capacitance.